Well, Williams, Philippines. Good evening. It is Wednesday, July 30th, 7:12 in the p.m. Nice evening out. Just got back. Walked down to 7-Eleven, got a drink. Uh, ain't too sure I like it, but eh. New types of drinks. 7-Eleven Pringles? Imitation? I don't know. Not that hot of a taste either, so it is what it is. But hey, trying new stuff. Isn't that what we're supposed to do when we go live somewhere else? Uh, Tried to take and do just jeepneys today. That didn't work out. Because apparently the jeepneys go by there, but not to there. You'd think a big hospital would have something, but it's like a compound, and well, the nearest this way is 2 blocks, the nearest that way is 3 blocks, the nearest this way is 4, and it's like that direction is 5 or 6. Yeah, I went by it several times. But that's okay. Finally found the place, got there, checked, made sure that it's the place I'm going to, and have decided I will just go ahead and have a motorcycle take me over there tomorrow. Yeah. I may try to figure out a jeepney on the way out. I found a spot where the jeepneys will pick me up. I have no idea where it's gonna take me. That thing gave me hiccups, burps, whatever. I have no idea where it'll take me after it picks me up, but somewhere. Yeah. I'm sure eventually I'll get somewhere where I can get back to where I need to be. Eventually. But that's okay. It is what it is. Of course, I'm probably going to be coming out of there with dilated eyes. I don't know. I'm used to getting my eyes dilated for eye doctor stuff, so we'll see. It is what it is. Yeah, just not quite right for me. But it's got some B's and a vitamin C. It's a VitaBoost thing, so we'll see. And since I have been off my vitamins, I don't know where they're at. Trying to figure that out too. Anyway, this is on the little table that I got yesterday. Yesterday. Or was it the day before? Anyway, it's on the table that I got, and behind it sits the TV that I got for the monitor. I'm trying to find one of my HDMI cables so I can hook up to it. And that'll probably be after I get back tomorrow or Friday. I haven't decided yet. I still need to find the HDMI cable. We shall see. Anyway, yeah, I need to get that up so I can get this my Mac Mini going, so I can actually do the video editing for the few small clips I've got. Try to get it into something, but I don't know how to edit on this thing, and it's easier for me on the bigger screen because, oh yeah, I'm blind in one eye and can't see out the other. There might be a reason I'm trying to get cataract surgery. Because, yeah. Anyway, did manage to, you know, get that done today, and I'm glad about that. Uh, let's see, what else was there? Oh, got the laundry put up, and I'm about ready to go back. Seems like every time I turn around, I'm having more laundry. Because, well, you go outside. Anyway, I go outside, and I'm instantly soaked. This humidity's horrible, but I'm trying to get used to it. And trying to wear this lovely extra large shirt. Now, in America, I'm a large, and that's, you know, tight, but not this tight. Yeah. And an extra large is rattles around on me. So this is an extra large in the Philippines, and it's skin tight. It is what it is. But inspiration, keep losing the weight. Working on it. And with me getting around and walking around so much, you know, I think I did almost 7 miles today. So, yay! I did walk over and drop off a key to something, and got that, and I did a little bit of navigating. So yeah, I've managed to get a few more blocks of area in the area figured out, and every chance I get, I'm going to try to add a little more to it until I get to the point that I move somewhere else and get to start the whole Fruit Loop over. Fly, little Fruit Loop. It is what it is. But yeah, trying to get this figured out, and neighborhood and such. They've got some overpass walkways. Boy, let me tell you, they're bad enough during the daytime when you can actually see the stairs. They don't have a lot of lighting for that here at night. Or if they did, they hadn't turned it on, because I went right after the sunset and dusk. Yeah, and sun's been down over an hour, hour and a half, something like that. It gets dark early around here. Of course, this morning at 6 a.m. the sun was up. Actually, I think it was closer to 5:30, but you know, maybe earlier. I'm not sure. But yes, getting up early to catch that. I would like to be able to take and do catch a sunrise over here. Haven't caught one yet. I like them. Caught a bit of a sunset, but the buildings were in the way. Hazard of being the short building. Yeah. On a second floor instead of a third or fourth. Yeah. It's okay though. Eventually I'll get up somewhere where I can actually see a sunset. At sunset time. I will get somewhere where I can see a sunrise at sunrise time. But yeah, it is what it is. What else was there? I don't know. Anyway, I'm getting used to doing things in a bit of a different way, and that's good. Yeah. I'm having fun with this. Don't get me wrong, it can be annoying if you let it, but why let it? Just laugh and go on. Enjoy life. It's too short to be miserable by choice. A lot of people do, though. Anyway, I hope you have a blessed day or night, wherever it is, wherever you are. Because yeah, I'm still trying to figure out talking to people back in Texas. Like right now, it's 6 a.m. there, 6:20 a.m. Yeah, most people are asleep at that hour or running to get to a job. And then if I do stay up later, for I have to stay up to 10:30 to make a 9:30 phone call to somebody, or 10 to make a 9 o'clock phone call to somebody. If I want to talk to my bank, I got to stay up till 10, or I need to uh, stay up, take time first thing in the morning to try and do it when it's late in the evening over there. So, 5 a.m. is 4 p.m. Yeah. I'm on the other side of the planet, so timing's a bit fun. But it's okay. Yeah, getting things figured out. This is Williams, Philippines. I really hope you've had a blessed day. Do your thing, between the left ear, right ear, heart, head, and God. Figure it out. It's you. Do it. And hey, don't let other people run your life. It's yours. Live it. Anyway, I hope you have had a very good day. Lots of friends, lots of food, and lots of family. And yes, again, more food. Always more food. Just saying. It's kind of with those chips where I was feeling hungry. Probably a good thing I got those because it discourages me. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I'm Fish, and hey, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. This is Fish. Fish is out.